Number 32. Nurse Lily visits an 84-year-old client who has experienced multiple strokes and is unable to change position independently. The nurse teaches family caregivers techniques to move and reposition the client who is in a hospital bed. Which technique should be included in the teaching plan for this client? So, ang patient mo is 84 years old. Usually ako, pag nagsasagot ako dati or ng question, I underline the age of the client and yung diagnosis and yung problem para guided ako sa kung ano yung hahanapin ko sa options. So in this case, multiple strokes, nahirapan sila to move the patient independently. What is the best answer here? It is letter A. Before moving the client, family caregivers should raise the hospital bed to the level of their waist. After completing the move, the bed must be returned to the lowest level. Yes, that is what you call your proper body mechanics. Proper body mechanics. Bakit? Sino pong mabe-benefit dito? Si patient po ba or si patient po ba or si caregivers? It's usually the caregivers. Remember, pag mabigat yan, mas lalo nakaka-strain sa likod nyo as a nurse. So dapat itaas muna yung level ng bed according sa inyong height. Okay, kung waist level ito. Okay, then after that, if nalipat na or na-move na si patient, that's the time that you have to put the bed at the lowest level. Bakit? This is also naman to promote the safety ni patient para ma-avoid ang fall. So, ibig sabihin, pag nahulog man si patient, at least mababa lang. Pero pag sobrang taas, another problem yun.